Hello everyone. Today our MBA topic is emerging technologies in business with important questions and answer MBA. So in this day and age, keeping up or better yet, staying ahead calls for more than gradual change. It demands that you reinvent your business and the direction it is headed in. The key to unlocking this potential does not lie in yesterday's boardroom discussions, but in the emerging technologies of tomorrow. In this blog, we explore emerging technologies that are reshaping the business landscape from last year's buzzwords, blockchain, and the metaverse to the latest and most groundbreaking technologies of the present and the future, that is, artificial intelligence, AI, and nanotechnology. Are you ready to find out what will help your business grow and innovate constantly or consistently? Let's unlock your potential. We are living in an exciting time where new technology or technological advancement are constantly being made. Staying up to date and understanding these new discoveries is crucial if you want your business to stay relevant and ahead of the competition. Why is this so important? Many emerging technologies have the capability of transforming how we live, work, and interact. And as much as they consistently influence industries, economies, and society itself, they are able to introduce new solutions to old problems, transforming the landscape of possibilities. This goes for your business as well. By adopting these new technologies, you are able to significantly streamline your operations while delivering more value to your customers. It is not only about productivity and efficiency, though these new technologies can unlock these doors to entirely new opportunities for value creation and enable you to tap into uncharted markets, reinvent products and services, and redefine industry standards. Strategically embracing these technologies is key to creating a path of sustained success and market leadership in an ever evolving, that is, global landscape. Throughout this blog, you will notice each technology being accompanied by an emerging technology card. These cards are designed to make these technology make or more digestible and include a short description, criteria to better understand where it can be beneficial or may lack, and a visual of the business model canvas showcasing which building blocks will most likely be affected, accompanied with some common ways that tech can add value for your business. Now, emerging technologies shaping your future business. First of all, we discuss about generative AI. Generative AI or Gen AI has been the talk of the town due to its general purpose capabilities across many industries. Zen or Gen AI is a subset of artificial intelligence powered by large language models, that is LLMs, and transformers able to generate text and photorealistic images and even code by learning from or existing data. It is likely that you have used some form of Zen AI. Think about ChatGPT, a conversational AI created by OpenAI, or one of the many features created with the help of it, like Expedia's travel planner or Duolingo's learning assistant. Generative AI revolutionize how businesses approach creatively and problem solving by automating content creations from text to imagery. It dramatically reduces the time and effort required, allowing teams to focus on innovation. Additionally, it enables personalized customer experiences at scale, enhancing engagement and satisfaction. This technology also opens new avenues for product and service development, making it a powerful tool for companies looking to be a leader in their industries. Due to these wide range of application, many companies have already adopted the tech with G study by showcasing a potential time reductions of 22 to 40%, 42% across a variety of tasks and industries. Second topic is cloud computing. Cloud computing is transforming the way businesses scale and deploy their services, offering unmatched flexibility and efficiency. It allows organizations to access vast computing resources and storage over the internet, eliminating the need for extensive on premises infrastructure. This technology enables rapid scaling to meet demand. It fosters collaborations across global teams and significantly reduces operational cost also. With cloud computing, companies can innovate faster, delivering cutting edge services and products to the market with agility and precision, positioning themselves as a leader in the digital era. The statistic doesn't lie. Cloud computing enables cost saving, with 14% of businesses experiencing a 10 to 20% reduction in IT spending after migrating to the cloud. That is Statista. 60% of C suite executives consider security to be the top benefit of cloud computing before cost saving, scalability, ease of maintenance, and speed, that is Oracle. Cloud computing has helped 65% of respondents reduce their time to market, enabling faster product launches and innovations. Next point is immersive technologies. Immersive technologies encompassing augmented reality, that is AI, virtual reality VR, and mixed reality, that is MR, are exploring new ways to experience and interact with digital content by blending the physical and digital worlds. These technologies enhance how we learn, work, and play, offering more engaging and interactive experiences from training, simulations, and educational content to gaming and virtual meetings. Immersive tech is setting the stage for a future where the boundaries between real and virtual increasingly blur, opening endless possibilities for innovation and engagement across various sectors. Next point is blockchain. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the way we think about data, security, and transactions. It is a decentralized ledger that ensures transparency, security, and immutability across various sectors by enabling peer to peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. Blockchain reduces cost and increases efficiency. It's not just for cryptocurrencies, it's being adopted in supply chain management, healthcare and more. Blockchain is paving the way for trustless agreements and fostering a new era of digital trust and privacy. Blockchain technology is being used by major companies across various industries. It has implemented blockchain to create transparency in the supply chain, ensuring the authenticity and ethical sourcing of their products. Similarly, Walmart uses blockchain to track produce from farm to store, greatly enhancing food safety protocols in the financial sector. Chase had introduced its own blockchain network. Next point is Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, is integrating the physical world with the digital, connecting everyday devices to the internet to collect and share data. These network of interconnected devices enhances efficiency, automates tasks, and provides insights into user behavior. This enables smarter decision making in industries such as healthcare, agriculture, and smart homes. LOT's potential to revolutionize how we interact with our surroundings promises a future where seamless integration and communication between devices improve the quality of life and operational productivity. LOT technologies is being embraced by leading companies across various sectors. BMW Group and Ford Motors Company are making strides in the development of self-driving vehicles while logistics giants leverage LOT for fleet management to optimize operations. Energy companies are deploying smart meters and grids for energy efficiency. Now, next point is machine learning, ML. Machine learning is the backbone of modern AI systems, enabling computers to learn from data. It automates the model building process, allowing machines to adapt to new situations and improve over time. This branch of AI is crucial for predictive analytics, natural language processing, and image image recognitions. It offers significant advancement in various fields like healthcare, finance, and customer service. Machine learning's ability to analyze large database or data sets and overcome patterns leads to more informed decision, personalized experiences, and innovative solutions to complex problems. Major companies are hoping aboard or abroad about these technology, and many have been using it for centuries. Take a look. So that's the end of the video, my friends. If you like my blogs, please subscribe and share it. Thanks a lot.